This tutorial is to show you how to create DXF files, which are the type of file that the laser cutter and the CNC router use. In Fusion, the first thing you need to do, and in this example I'll show you how to create a DXF file for just a simple sketch, is that you need to come over to the browser on the left hand side, open up the sketches folder and look for the sketch that you want to cut. In this case there is only one sketch and it's for this profile here. Right click on the sketch, come down to save as DXF, and for this example I'm just going to keep it in my downloads folder because I'm not sure if you save things to your Google Drive. If you do, go ahead and click Google Drive and then ignore the next step where you upload it to your Google Drive. But for those of you that don't save to Google Drive, click Downloads, give the file a name, and I'm going to call it XXX because that will make it a lot easier for me to locate in a minute. Press Save, then come over to your Google Drive and we want to go New, File Upload, locate the file, there's the XXX, and it shouldn't take very long to upload at all. There it is. Then we can right click on that folder, on that file, and we can go to Share, and here we can either type in CNC, and there's the address for the CNC router, or we can type in laser, and then there's the option for the laser cutter 1, which is the smaller laser cutter in Design Lab 1, or laser cutter 2, which is the larger laser cutter in the computer aided manufacture room in Design Lab 2. And then we just press send. Then if we go over to the PC connected to any of those machines and open up the shared drive, you'll see that that file is there ready for the next stage. However, let's imagine that you've created something a little bit more complicated, an actual product made up of bodies, and you wanted to cut out this particular part here. If you go to Create Sketch, before I do that I'm going to open up my sketch folder so you can see that there are currently 22 sketches. So we're going to go to Create Sketch and we are going to just select the plane. So that highlights the profile that I want cut. Just click on it and you'll see that when I press Finish Sketch, there will now be another sketch. It's this sketch that I want to right click, save as DXF, and go through the same process that I did before.